show. Hello kids, welcome back. Today we will learn how to make capital H. H for hat. H for hat. And we will learn how to make H with colorful peas. I will start with blue color. H. First we will make a straight standing line. H. Now yellow color. Now we will make another standing line. Standing line. Purple color. Pink color. Pink color. Now small sleeping line. H. So today we learned how to make capital H in big ABC. H for hat. H for hat. Good job kids. Now in next video we will learn how to make I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Till then keep learning. Bye bye kids.
Watching. Please like, share and subscribe.